What it do, guys? Manjoume here to unbox the Bastron iPad/tablet mechanical keyboard and mouse. I was able to get this through massdrops.com. Check out a link in the description below to check it out. It arrived in a very discreet box. It says Bastron right there. The sides are pretty bare, honestly. The only thing we have is some stickers. Bastron, made in China, very Chinese. Product name, multi-connection wireless keyboard, multi-devices, dual mode mouse. And see, it works for Mac OS, Windows, Android, Chrome OS, I think, and iOS. Let's just open it up. What is in here? Oh. Well, that's pretty succinct. We have the dongle, which this thing is Bluetooth, and it has a wireless receiver, and this is a wireless receiver. Very lightweight, basically nothing in here, I think, just a chip at the end of this USB, probably. Probably doesn't even need to be as big as it is. A screwdriver? This is a cheap one you'd get with a iPod repair kit. Trust me, I'd know. So that's kind of weird that it came with that, so I guess I'm unscrewing some... Oh man, does that mean I have to unscrew to get to some of these batteries, I guess? Here's the mouse. It says Bastron right here. Model MM20. Product name, multi-device, wireless, dual mode mouse. On and off. The dual mode must refer to the fact that it's either Bluetooth or a wireless receiver. That must be what it means. And it's kind of neat. Pretty much what do you expect? That sounds like that just sounds like another click. Got a button right here. I'm guessing the connection button to connect, because we have on off, probably to connect. And we have a couple buttons right here, the up and down. They feel kind of not great. These definitely feel worse than, like, these feel fine. That feels fine too, even though it's kind of weird that sounds like pretty similar. But this, it doesn't feel so great to me, but it sounds very clicky. Now the keyboard, which I'm expecting a lot out of, at least I'm hoping for a lot out of it, is right here. What is this? We have a quick guide, and we have different connection methods. It takes 2 AAAs to power the mouse, and then, whoa, 4 to power the keyboard itself, which is very clicky, by the way. Bluetooth connection, or you use that. So that's pretty succinct and pretty much what we expected. And yeah, I'll be referring to this if I get lost. User manual, which I am sure is going to be wonderful. Righto, so it gives us different channels. We can connect up to 3 devices at one time, with this at least. And right there, 1, 2, 3. The non-slip is right here. There's a few tabs. They don't feel very non-slip. They just feel like hard plastic, honestly. But I guess that's supposed to stop the screen from moving. Channel 1, 2, and 3. So, when you're going between the channels, you use these as well. So I definitely need to read these to know exactly what's going on in terms of connections. And the 1, 2, and 3 must only be for Bluetooth, because when you've got a dongle in, that's the one connection. There's no multiple dongle type thing. So that's interesting. It's on the back of this. 2.4. Oh, this is the dongle connection and setting everything up. So it's pretty simple. Now to the keyboard itself. All the keys are there, which is a good sign. I feel like it's missing one here, but it isn't. That's clearly not missing one. But the spacing would indicate that it would be. Everything is very nice, loud and clicky, which I kind of like. The weight is not nearly as much as you'd expect. I thought it'd be a lot heavier. And here it is. This is what we would unscrew to get to, and that's already kind of loose. So it'd be very easy to get into it, and it's got these clips to bring it up. I just want to show that the keyboard itself requires AA's, 4 of them, and that there's a space right here, which to me looks like the molding for the dongle. seeing as how it has the perfect size here, kind of a boxy back. However, you quickly find out that it's just too big to fit. So my thinking is that the mold was for a different unit or a different model where the dongle was smaller and would fit perfectly when not in use or when in Bluetooth mode. If you have any questions about how this keyboard and mouse works, or any specific questions, do leave them in the comment section below. I will be making a follow-up video answering those questions. Well guys, this has been my unboxing of the Bastron iPad/tablet mechanical keyboard and mouse. If you want to stay up to date on my videos and live streams on both YouTube and Twitch, check out the links in the description below and join my Discord. That's all for now guys. Manjoume out.